Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going to be talking about an exciting project that has actually gone up, close to 3,000% in the past year. Today, we're going to be talking about Pendle. So in this video, we're going to be talking about and discussing the key components, the tokenomics, how it works, basically everything you need to know. And also, we're going to go over a price prediction and compare the current market cap and price to see it and compare it to other market caps of other projects to see where the price could actually realistically go given the current total supply and the maximum supply. So let's just get into it. All that and more. Let's dive in. Pendle Finance explained. First things first, what is Pendle Finance? Pendle Finance is a decentralized financial services platform that specializes in fixed yields and yield tokenization. Operating on the Ethereum blockchain as a permissionless and yield trading protocol, Pendle introduces a unique approach to managing and trading yields. So when users deposit assets into Pendle, the platform creates two types of tokens: principal tokens, or PT, and yield tokens, or YT. So PT represents the underlying asset, while YT represents the future yield of that asset. So this dual token system allows users to have greater flexibility in managing their assets and engaging in various yield strategies. So Pendle also provides tools for risk management and diversification, such as multi-collateral pools and risk metrics, promoting responsible investing and diversification. So community governance is a priority for Pendle, fostering a decentralized and transparent decision-making process, allowing users to actively shape the platform's future. Pendle's automated market maker, or AMM mechanism, is a standout feature, ensuring efficient yield trading. Unlike traditional AMMs, Pendle's AMM considers time decay, preventing potential financial losses due to mispriced assets. And the model optimizes capital and enhances exposure to future yields through incremental adjustments, ensuring liquidity pools remain robust. So the platform's functionality revolves around three main components. There is yield tokenization and Pendle AMM and VE Pendle. Let's dive into these. So for yield tokenization, this process involves wrapping yield-bearing tokens into standardized yield tokens, or SY, compatible with Pendle's AMM. SY is then split into PT and YT, separating the yield from the principal and enabling users to trade and manage them separately. So Pendle AMM, or the automated market maker, serving as the trading engine for PT and YT, the AMM determines prices based on supply and demand, allowing users to participate in fixed yield strategies, long yield strategies, or a combination of both. Now, there's also VE Pendle. So this governance token empowers users to participate in Pendle's community governance. And Pendle offers investors the ability to maximize returns on yield-bearing assets without locking up collateral through features like minting, swapping, farming, and claiming. So minting involves depositing assets to create principal and yield tokens for independent use. And the platform was founded by Tian Li in 2020. So when it comes to the tokenomics, Pendle's tokenomics are designed with a maximum supply of employing a hybrid inflationary model. So this model balances circulation, ecosystem development, incentives, and team allocation. And the platform's native token is dubbed Pendle, and it serves the following purposes. So there's governance, there is staking and liquidity mining, and there's fees and discounts, and then there's also protocol upgrades. Now, when it comes to some use cases, there's obviously finance, right, and DeFi. There's NFT gaming, actually. So the gaming in non-fungible token space can utilize Pendle tokens to create unique in-game assets, digital collectibles, or other virtual goods. There's also real estate. So the network can be used in real estate where tokens represent shares in real estate properties, enabling fractional ownership and increased liquidity. Now, when it comes to some big partnerships that I noticed, there is definitely Binance Labs. So they announced a strategic investment in Pendle Finance with the goal of leveraging the potential of decentralized finance for both institutional and retail use. There's also Olive Finance, so a DeFi protocol, and Pendle Finance collaborated to launch their testnet vault. And also Pendle Finance successfully raised over $3.5 million across 3 funding rounds. And the latest round was a Series A, which was held on November 10th of 2023, and the platform secured an undisclosed amount. Okay, so when we're comparing the price and market cap to other projects to see where the price of Pendle could actually hypothetically and realistically go, well, first things first, you have to take a note that CoinMarketCap's data is a little bit different than CoinGecko's. So on CoinGecko, the market cap is at $304 million, and it's ranked at 177. When we're taking a look at per CMC data, it's ranked at 79 at a market cap of 747 million. So slightly off. I mean, obviously the price is the same, But in this case, we're actually going to be using data from CoinGecko to compare the market cap. So hypothetically, if it had a market cap of $722 million, that would make the potential price $7.45, or an upside of 138%. Now, when we're comparing it to, for example, let's just say Tezos at 880 million, then that would bring the potential price to $9, or an upside of 190%. Now, where would it have to be at the $10 price point? That would be at the range of Helium at $981 million, or an upside then of $10. And then that would be an upside of 223%. Now, for example, if we were to compare this to, for example, like a project like Lido, where would that bring it to, for example, at Lido DAO? Well, if Pendle had Lido DAO's market cap of $2.5 billion, then one Pendle would be worth $26, or an upside of 737%. So I think Pendle is a pretty interesting project. And, obviously the project is not necessarily new in the crypto space, but the price has, risen quite a lot. I think it's starting to get to a lot of people's radars. And also there's some pretty good partnerships as well with the project. So everything's looking pretty good for it. And there is some bullish tingles for it. I'm definitely getting some blue chip bullish tingles for this project. Let me know what you guys have to think about this project in the comments down below. Anyways, guys, my name is Trevor, also known as Mint Max. I'll see you in the next one.